Hi, welcome to Data Adobe YouTube channel. And for today's stream number 72, I found this data visualization part where uh, we can see the European state of the climate key events. So it's a like overall summary, like what happened during 2024, and we can see that they have highlighted key events. So it's just a key events, not in detail, but if you click on those particular uh, color code, you will get more detail, like what happened during that time, and related uh, links you can go through. So it's short summary with quick title. You can see that. So you can see for all the Europe part. So it seems very basic at first glance for this map font, and this is for timelines. Again, from this you can check for like uh, if you want to check more details about that particular event. So here I was very clueless like what is need to check like for this particular timeline. So it it seems very not useful, but on maps it is quite visible like which part we are going to check, and that's it. And for you also you can check by filter like cold wave snow, there's light blue, then climate resilient green. So they have for like key events they have uh, added this color code. You can also filter by month January to till December. Since it is 2024, you can go through each month. So at first view it's not very useful, but the real uh, report is here. Find out more on full report 2024. If you go through this, so it is Europe's climate change service. So uh, Copernicus. So those Europe's eye on Earth. So it seems it's related to Copernicus. I think it's related to satellite. So this site is taking much time for opening in Chrome. So I have closed this, but you can also check that for Copernicus, it's Earth observation component of Europe's Union space program. So from this satellite, they are taking uh, data about like key events happen all time. So I have opened that link in Edge now, so we can go through this. So in this section, Europe in 2024, you can check more details like what's happening. You can go through this sidebar, or you can check on their like sub part, or from go you can go through their home page as well. So here we can see beautiful map. We have like widespread flooding in 2024. They have created this dashboard which is very informative, but not interactive at same time. But I think if we go through their different key events, then we can see more detailed interactive charts. So here we can see from 1995 till 2020, high flood threshold and severe flood threshold. It is yes, it is interactive. Yeah. So we can check like sub part relate uh, flood high and severe related details. So we can see for around 2007, it's those high flood threshold are severe, it's less, but less before and after it's quite same. Also, you can download those data then as image. It's not clickable. Rainfall total in Spain in October 29 2024. So it was main event, and it was we have seen this in news, like how bad it was. So when you move cursor on like locations, you can see the this pretty precipitation indicator changes. So you can also go through this. So this map changes, detail changes. For high precipitation 600 is for Valencia location only. So you can check that. You can also check for this heat and dropped southern east Europe. Most severe heat waves in southeastern Europe. 6 days. What is the anomaly? What is the rank for particular heat wave, and for for from which date it started till which date? So they also mention asterisk highlights 2024 heat waves. Then ranking of severity. So we can see that this particular heat wave is it seems number one, rank two. Okay, this is rank one. Okay. Okay. So for temperature, we can see the difference, and for asterisk, it is included heat waves. So those are quite interactive and very well presented. Heat stress days, tropical nights, we can filter on the go. So it data whereas like from here we can see 1950 till 2024. Earlier we have seen from 1995 something till 2020. So those data we have. Here is again hot long summer in southeastern Europe. So though that dashboard is provided, I'm not sure, it is not interactive, but I'm sure that they have must provided somewhere in this like in this location of URL. So let's try to check other temperature. ERA5 for this anomalies and extreme surface air temperature in 2024. Anomaly, it's same. Not sure. Okay. I'm not sure, but I think those are two sources they have checked. And for ERFI, this is the outcome we have, like 1979 to 2024. And for this EOBS, it's I think those are two satellites we have. And here we have another two sources included with two different charts for this. Compared to 1991 till 2020. So we can see the average temperature is increasing. You can also download that this viz. Average daily surface air temperature for your all-time maximum during 2024 July. Cooler than average. It's very well presented here, and it seems they have only provided for uh, like 2024. The main purpose of this report is providing details about 2024, so it's uh, quite fit for that. So we can see that warmer than average, it's like those points are greater than average or lower than average. So we can see that, or we can conclude that uh, the surface air temperature is increasing. So whenever we say that there is a climate change is happening, there is a danger for sea level, or uh, overall heat in environment. So this data proves the points that, so with these data points we can prove that those things, and it's come very handy when we have this data backup with us. This is again good chart. Percentage of European land experiencing frost days for specific time period. No days. So these are no days. These are less than 1 week from 1950 till 2024. Okay. This is for less than 1 month, and this is less than 3 months. Okay. So you can go through these different charts and like different key indicators. Tropical nights, number of tropical nights in 2024 till 250. Okay. Tropical nights are those during which the temperature does not fall below 20 degrees Celsius. So we can see it's like uh, for Southeast Europe, it's getting increasing, and for anomaly also we can see it's like uh, for south location we can see those more anomalies. I'm not going to with this theory part, like what is the those key indicators are. I have more interesting what how they presented their data with different visualization. So we can see for fire danger, anomalies in the number of days with fire weather index greater than 50. Okay. So we can see it's for 25 days. Maybe it's related to Spain, which we have seen earlier for those wildfire. Because of that, or because of this, that wildfire created. Also for Eastern Europe, those index is greater than 50. Burnt excess Europe and Mediterranean in 2024. Number of burnt areas greater than 5,000 HA. uh, for some maps, I think they could have given as it is for interaction, because it's a very good map, I can say, but it's very crowdy, so I can't figure out the exact location. Overall, I can see that this is like Spain, this is Italy, or this Eastern Europe, but if it it could be have been bigger size or with interaction, it would have been more interactive. They also provided supplementary figures, graphic galleries. These figures are available in future internet. So let's check on that. Okay, graphic gallery. So you can download this, or you can check more details on this okay, graphics on their graphic gallery section. Okay, so this is for wildfire, but for this, okay, I have been checking wrong, because we could have checked this part, like instead of those uh, text button, we could have gone through this directly through graphics, so where we can see exact details or additional details. Okay. Burnt areas in Europe. Burnt area is in, charts are not auto like sizing. Snow and glaciers. Oh, good. You can adjust this, this map, but not fitting to the, we have to do zoom in zoom out of browser. So but chart map is very good. Plus 90 days, annual number of snow days during winter. So this is for greater than 40. It's concentrated on like in middle of Europe. For less than 40, 0 to 10. Greater than 40, and for like those area are less, and greater than 40s are in middle of Europe. You can see glacier mass change in Europe during 2024. They mention about Greenland, Svalbard, then Scandinavia, Ireland, Central Europe. Mass change, we can see that for dark blue, it's greater than 30, and -3, which is chocolatey color. It's we can see that difference. Then for precipitation, for precipitation, very well presented and a very informative chart with help text provided, and data reference are given. Soil moisture. For few charts, you need to download and open those charts to get check more detail, like this one. area to area 1 in soil moisture condition. You get more details. You can also filter not here. Earlier I have seen. So you can also filter by title for few sections. Monthly average river flow in Europe. So it seems showing downtrend average. This is line average, but for this river flow, it's slightly less than what we have seen early 2024, but I think it's normal. But reference period average, then okay, I am not sure like what is the usual. I think it will repeat, or we can see the downtrend somehow. Monthly average for this kind of charts, you need to download those charts and have a look. Anomalies in lake surface water temperature. July, August, September. European Ocean. Sorry. Anomalies in annual sea temperature similar to surface like land surface temperature. This is we have. The color coding is very well suited for the theme. Supplementary graphic, these are main graphics, these are for additional details you can use. Annual atmospheric circulation and temperature. You can see same details for month wise, like from January till December. Cold and sunshine. Like anomalies is more focused on Central Europe. Sunshine duration, and this is cloud cover. For supplementary, it's just a subsection of what we have, what we see in main graphics part. Renewable energy sources. So this for hydropower, it's quite same, 16 to 18. Wind power, it's 9. Wind power is increasing day by day, and for solar power also, that section also increasing. But as compared to wind power is becoming more like main source for renewable energy. run on river hydropower from Jan to December. Solar photovoltaic. Then few are remaining. So let's go through this. It's already around more than 25 minutes. Annual Arctic annual temperature anomalies. So these charts are very helpful for deciding strategies and what we can do uh, like for people regarding temperature, outside temperature, then what anomalies we can face over the time, what is their pattern. So those details we can see here. They have huge data for like different key indicators which are very helpful. Western subarctic, eastern subarctic. Total annual carbon emission from high latitude wildfire. Then Arctic Ocean. Daily sea ice extent. So we can see from it's we can see the like clearly see the shrink of that ice extent from different type period from 1920. Then for 2021 2024 it's very less compared to that. For 2012 it was like very uh, that extents is very less, but for it seems the deviation from like normal, but for a rest period we can see that year by year it's getting decreased. Warmer than average. Resilience to climate extinction. Climate urgency to act, more action needed, then risk severity policies. So those details we have here. So I think those are like infrastructure climate risk for. So these are infrastructure clusters we can which have like risk severity and related policies we can check. Also urgency to act. This is highlighted so agencies can take action. I think this is the last one. Trend in climate indicator. Trend in climate indicators. Global linear trend of annual surface air temperature 1995 to 2024. So we can see the temperature is getting increases over the time over the year. Ocean heat, like anomaly in heat content global oceans. So here also we can see the clear indication of like for 2024 it's highest, and from 1975 those data are available. Mass balance of Greenland ice sheet and its corresponding contribution to sea level rise. ice sheet is decreasing, sea levels rise increasing. So even though it shows like downwards, it's actually increasing that sea level. Cumulative mass changes from like 500 GT till 7,000, around 6,000. Atmospheric concentration, greenhouse gases, seasonal variability, average they have provided. So that's it. We can go through like we today we try to see the key events and related visualizations which we can understand as a layman, and it was very informative. For few charts or maps, I think they could have been more interactive site. They could have kept auto sizing those charts or map, and it would have been more informative. It's already informative, but more informative we could have seen. So that's it today for stream number 72 for Data Ad Hoc channel. Let's meet next time with another interesting topic. Thank you.